Hello dear students, in this video we are going to learn MCQ of probability statistics GSEB 12th Commerce. So let us start our today's work. Standard 12 Commerce Probability Section A. Find the correct option for the following multiple choice questions. Question 1 is given by which event is given by special subset of phi of the sample space U. Okay. This one is impossible event, so the correct answer is option D. MCQ number 2. What is the value of P of A intersection A prime for event A and A prime? See, there is nothing common in A and A prime because of A prime is complementary event of A. Hence, there is nothing common means it is empty set or it is equals to phi. P of A intersection A prime equal to phi and probability of phi equal to always 0. So answer is option B. Question 3 is given by which of the following is true for any event of the sample space. First, P of A is greater than 0. It is impossible because P of A is always lies between minus 1 and 0 and 1. Second one is also given by 0 is less than equal to P of A is greater than equal to 1. It is also a wrong option. But C option C is correct. Probability of event A is always lies between 0 and 1. MCQ number of 4. Which of the following option is not true for any two events A and B in the sample space U where A is subset of B? If A is subset of B, then A intersection B does not equals to P of B. So option A is correct. Okay. A intersection B equal to P of A because A is subset of B. Hence, this event is true. And P of A union B is always greater than equal to P of A. And P of B minus A. When A subset B, it is equals to P of B minus P of A. Option A is correct answer. MCQ number 5. What is the other name of the classical definition of probability? The other name of the classical definition is mathematical definition of probability. Option A is correct. MCQ number 6. Which of the following statement of probability of elementary events H and T of random experiment of tossing a balanced coin is not true? Okay, so we have to find a wrong option. P of t equal to 0.5 is correct option because P of t means probability of tail and head. P of h and P of tail is always equals to 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 equal to 0.5. Option A is correct. P of h plus P of t equal to 1. Total of zero point 0.5 plus zero point 0.5 equal to 1. Option B is also correct. P of A intersection t equal to 0.5. It is not possible because if we toss a coin, we get either head or a tail. So answer is option C. P of A intersection t equal to zero point 0.5. It is not true for given event. Question 7. Which random experiment from the following random experiments has an infinite sample space? Okay, throwing two dice. Throwing two dice, there are total 36 outcomes. It is finite sample space. Selecting two employees from an office. In office, there are limited number of employees, and we can select two employees from the office. It is also finite sample space. To measure the life of electric bulb, it is infinite sample space because if it is guaranteed that the life of electric bulb is 700 hours, then the sample space is U equals to X is such that 0 is less than equal to X is less than equal to 700. All the values lies between 0 and 700 are real values. Hence, option C is correct option. MCQ 8. If P of A union A prime, then what type of events are A and A prime? See, for example, it is a sample space. Let me draw a sample space. It is a sample space in which A and B are two events. If this is event A, this is event A. Let me draw only one event. Sorry, this is event A. Okay, so remaining part is shows us A prime. A prime means complementary of A, and it is total sample space. That means P of A union A prime. P of A union A prime equal to always a sample space. Hence, the option is option A is given by independent events, complementary events, C is certain events, and impossible event. B option is correct, complementary event, because A union A prime equal to U. Question number 9, P of A given B equal to P of A and P of B given A equal to P of B. What type of events A and B? Okay, first is independent events. Independent event is correct answer because P of formula is P of A given B. A given B equal to P of A intersection B divided by P of A. And when two events are independent, the formula of A intersection B is P of A into P of B divided by P of A. P of A cancel out, P of B left, hence P of A given B equal to, actually there is typing mistake, not typing mistake here, I am writing P of A, but actually formula is P of B. So P of B cancel out, P of B cancel out, and finally we have only P of A left, P of A. P of A given B equal to P of A, and similarly P of B given A equal to P of B. Hence A and B are two independent events. Option 10, MCQ 10 is given by two events A and B of a sample space are mutually exclusive. Okay, if two events are mutually exclusive, then P of A intersection B, P of A intersection B equal to empty set, and it is equals to 0 because probability of phi equal to 0. Which of the following will be equal to P of B minus A? See, P of B minus A, formula of P of B minus A equals to P of B minus P of A intersection B. P of A intersection B equal to 0, hence answer is P of B. So P of B is correct option, option B is correct. Question number 11. What is the total number of sample points in the sample space formed by throwing three six-faced balanced dice simultaneously? Okay, when three dice are thrown simultaneously, there are total number of outcomes equals to 6 into 6 into 6, which is equals to 6 cube. So the answer is D. Option D is correct option. Now question number 12 is given by, if one number is randomly selected between 1 and 20, what is the probability that the number is multiple of 5? Okay, between 1 and 20, that means the sample space is, we have to start a sample space from 2, 3, 4 till 19 numbers. The total number of sample points n is equals to 18 here, and multiple of 5. There are three numbers 5, 10, and 15. Therefore, m equals to 3. And the probability of event A or given event is m upon n. It is equals to 3 divided by 18. And 3 divided by 18, which is equals to 1 by 6. The answer is 1 by 6. MCQ number 13. If event A and B are independent, which of the following option is true? Okay, when two events are independent, the multiplication law is P of A intersection B equal to P of A into P of B. So option A is correct. Question number 14 is given by, what is the probability of having five Thursday in the month of February in a year which is not a leap year. Means given year is normal year, and in normal year in month of February there are total 28 days. 28 days means 7 weeks complete. 7 weeks complete means each day repeated 4 weeks complete. Repeated for 4 times. There is no option of fifth Thursday. Therefore, it is impossible event and probability of impossible event is 0. Option A is correct option. MCQ 15, P of A equal to 0.4 and P of B prime equal to 0.3. For two independent events A and B of a sample space, then state the value of P of A intersection B. Okay, first of all, P of A is given by 0.4 and P of B is equals to 1 minus P of B prime equal to 1 minus 0.3, which is equals to 0.7. And formula of P of A intersection B for independent events, it is P of A into P of B. P of A is given by 0.4 and P of B is given by 0.7. The product of both the numbers is 0.28. So answer is option C, 0.28. Question number 16 is given by for two events A and B of a sample space. State the event A intersection B union A intersection B prime. Okay. So A intersection B union A intersection B prime. Let me apply the formula keeping A intersection B constant. A intersection B is constant. Union means plus P of A intersection B prime. The formula is P of A means event A minus A intersection B. Okay, minus A intersection B plus A intersection B cancel out. The answer is event A. So the correct option is option C. 17 MCQ. According to the mathematical definition of probability, what is the probability of each outcome among n outcomes of a random experiment? Okay, a question is asking for each outcome. The probability definition is m upon n. M upon n. Each outcome means total m outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4 till m numbers. The n outcomes. The probability of each outcome is 1 upon n. Okay, now question number 18. Question 18 is given by which of the following option does indicate numerical of the possibility of uncertain event. It is probability. Answer option B is correct. Probability. Question 19 is given by what is the minimum value of probability of event A. Okay. P of A is always lies between 0 and 1. 0 is less than equal to P of A is less than equal to 1. Hence the minimum value is 0 and maximum value is 1. So option B is correct for minimum value. Question number 20 is asking about event A union A prime equal to U. Okay, for two events, if it is equals to U equal to sample space, then the events are exhaustive events. The option D is correct option, exhaustive event. MCQ number 21 is asking that U and phi are which type of events for each other. Okay, primary events, no, it is wrong option. Independent event, no, it is not independent event. Complementary event, okay, A and phi are complementary events, hence option C is correct option. Now for question number 22. Question number 22 is given by A and B are mutually exclusive events, hence state the value of A minus B. Okay, A minus B equal to for mutually exclusive event. Actually, the formula of A minus A intersection B is A minus A intersection B. Sorry, A minus B equal to A minus A intersection B. And if two events are mutually exclusive, A intersection B equal to 0. Then the answer is A. Option A is correct option. Question number 23 is given by A intersection B equal to empty set. Hence, what is the value of P of A intersection B? Okay, if P of A intersection B equal to P of phi and value of P of phi is always 0, option B is correct option. 24 number question number 24. If A and B are independent events, the value of A intersection B is equals to A intersection B. For A intersection B, for two independent events, it is equals to P of A into P of B. It is multiplication law when two events are independent. So option C is correct option. Question 25 is given by if A and B are exhaustive events, state the formula of P of A union B. When P of two events are exhaustive, P of A union B equal to P of U, and it is equals to 1, but the option is given by P of A union B in option C, so option C is correct option. Question number 26. Uh, which type of events are primary events? Primary events are equiprobable events, so option D is correct option. Question 27. If actually here if is type, if the event A and B occur simultaneously, which type of the events are they? When two events occur simultaneously, the events are intersection events. So option C is correct option. Question number 28 is given by if the events A and B are do not occur simultaneously. When two events are not occur simultaneously, both the events are both the events are mutually exclusive events. So option D is correct for 28. Question number 29 is given by according to statistical definition of probability, state the formula of P of A. P of A equal to M upon N. This is mathematical formula. So option A is not right. N upon N is not possible. Hence, option B is also not correct. Option C is given by P of A equal to limit n tends to infinity m upon n. In statistical definition, always n means a number of sample points are infinity. So option C is correct because total number of sample points are going to infinity. Then the probability of event A equal to limit n tends to infinity m upon n, and here A is given, hence option D is also a wrong option. Now, question number 30, state the law of conditional probability P of B given A. A formula of P of B given A is P of A intersection B upon P of A. So option B is correct option. Question 31 is given by what is the value of P of A plus P of A prime. Okay, probability of happening A and probability of not happening A. It is equals to always 1. Then the P of A plus P of A prime equal to 1. Option B is correct. Now, question number 32. If P of A given B equal to A intersection B and B given A equal to B, then which type of events are A and B? It is independent events, because if we are taking P of A given B equal to, the formula is P of A intersection B divided by P of B. Okay, but P of A intersection B equal to P of A into P of B for two independent events. Uh, so P of A into P of B upon P of B, P of B, P of B cancel out. What is left? P of A is left. So option D is correct option. P of A given B equal to P of A. Similarly, if we calculate same process for P of B given A, the answer is P of B. Question 33. A and A prime are complementary events of each other. Hence, what is the value of P of A intersection A prime? Okay, if A and A prime are complementary events, then nothing is common between A and A prime. It is equals to empty set, and probability of empty set is 0. So option A is correct option. Question 34. How will you represent symbolically the event that out of two events A and B, at least one of them occurs? If at least one of them occurs is asking, then it is P of A union B. So option B is correct. A union B event, A union B. Question 35. It is not a character of random experiment. Independent repetition, it is a character of random experiment. So it is not option correct option. Ideal condition, it is also an option of random experiment. All outcomes are known. It is also characteristics of random experiment. So option D, certain outcomes can be predicted. No, it is wrong option. Means our answer is option D, because in random experiment we cannot predict the total outcomes or total events of a given experiment. Question 35 is given by H or T is obtained in the experiment of tossing a coin. Which type of events is it? Okay, when we toss a coin, we get either head or a tail. Hence, it is certain event. When we toss a coin, we will definitely get head or tail. So it is certain event. Question 37. What is the maximum value of probability of event A? Probability of event A is always lies between 0 and 1. 0 is less than equal to P of A is less than equal to 1. Means minimum value is 0 and maximum value is 1. Hence option C is correct option. Question number 38. State the interval of probability P of A for event A. Here we are writing the interval of P of A 0 to 1. So option -1 to 1 is not possible. B -1 to 0 is not possible. Option C is correct 0 to 1. Question 39. A balanced die is thrown twice. What is the number of elements of its sample space? Okay, in a die there are six sides. In another die there are six sides. Total 6 into 6 equals to 36. The total number of elements in sample space is 36. Option C is correct option. Question number 40. If P of A union B equal to U, then the events A and B are events of which type? When A union B equal to U, both the events called exhaustive events, then option B is correct here. Question 41. Two events A1 and A2. For two events A1 and A2, if A1 intersection A2 is impossible event, then what is the value of A1 intersection A2? Okay, when events A and B or A1 and A2 are impossible, then the value it is equals to 5 means empty set. So option A is correct option. Option B is correct option. A1 intersection A2 equal to 5 is correct option. Question number 42. If for any two events of a sample space A subset of B, then what is true? A subset of B means all elements of A lies in B. That means P of A is always less than equal to P of B. So option A is correct option. Question number 43. What is the probability of a certain event? The probability of certain event P of U equal to always 1. Hence option C is correct option. Question 44 is asking that if U equal to 1 to 6, A equal to 1 to 3 4, B equal to 2 4 6, then what will be A minus B? We have two ways to find A minus B by using intersection, or directly we can subtract the elements of B from A, like 1 2 3 4 minus B equal to 2 4 6. Okay, subtract elements of B from A. What left? 2 to cancel out, 2 to cancel out, 4 for cancel out. 1 and 3 left only in A. So answer is 1 comma 3. It is given in option B. Option B is correct option. Question 45. If A equal to X is such that 2 less than equal to X less than 5, here nothing is given, so we have to understand that the X is real numbers, but the option is given in natural numbers, so we are taking natural numbers, like A equal to start from 2 till 5 till 4. 2 3 and 4 are three elements of event A, and B equal to 3 less than X less than equal to 5 means start with 4 and 5. What is an event A intersection B? A intersection B is common element between A and B, and here 4 is common element between A and B. So option A intersection B equal to 4. Option D is correct option. Question number 46. A and B are independent events. If P of A equal to zero point 0.3 and P of B equal to zero point 0.6, find P of A prime intersection B prime. Okay. P of A is given by zero point 0.3. Therefore, P of A prime equal to 1 minus P of A, 1 minus 0 0.3 equal to 0 0.7. Similarly, P of B is given by 0 0.6. Therefore, P of B prime equal to 1 minus 0 0.6, which is equals to 0 0.4, and two events are independent. Therefore A prime intersection B prime equal to P of A into P of B equal to P of A into P of B. B prime, P of A prime into P of B prime, it is equals to 0.7 into 0.4, which is equals to 0.28. So answer is 0.28. It is given in option C. Option C is correct option. Now last question of this video. according to the mathematical definition of probability, how are the n outcomes of the random experiment? According to mathematical definition, always the n outcomes are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. Option C is correct option. So students, we are completed our MCQ of probability and I hope કે તમને બરાબર સમજાણું છે. So we will immediately meet in next lecture. Goodbye everyone. Take care.